welcome to Cecilia's Stories. Today, or before we start, let me tell you, we've been talking about food the past few days. We might be talking about food again, but the toy version. Because I have these very cool toys, which I'm not going to be unboxing. I've been playing for a long time. Here they are. Well, that's not it. Because you see more boxes here, don't you? Actually, I unboxed them too. I just put them here so they're organized. But back to what we were doing, let me introduce them to you and let me tell you what they are. Squishy Little Dumplings! And these Squishy Little Dumplings, well, the creator was Wowee. That's probably, well, actually, I don't know why I know, but actually, Nickelodeon started making music videos of them, which I love to watch because they're so cute. Oh, but let me open it and keep them on the table. But actually, I'm not unboxing them as I already said. So, let's open it. So, I plug them up and let's open it up. There's something really cute in here. Oh, this looks like my sister. I already said I've been playing it, and now the mouth has faded away. Let's put him on the table on the... Oh, there's no green balloon. Never mind. I'm just going to put him on the grass. It's green. The second character we got is this one with the cute lipstick. Isn't she cute? She's my favorite. My mommy says she looks like me. This is D. Oh, I forgot. I think I forgot to tell you. The green one's Dip. Or am I joking? I don't know. Okay, these two, we got them at the same time. So I'm going to introduce them together. So this is Doe, the girlfriend of Dip. This is Dot, the boyfriend of D. Let's put this on the purple one and the one on the blue. Aw, look, they're all connected, but wait. I need to show you when it really gets cute. They even have accessories. That's cool, isn't that? So I'm gonna put it in front of them because I can do a speed up, I think. I'll try to do a speed up. Oh, okay, this one is Doe. Let's put it over here for her. This one's for Dot. Where's Dot? I want to see him. Oh, there he is. Oh, no, that's D. Sometimes gets me confused. Now let's do D. The girlfriend of Dot. Cool, I put them right beside each other. And here's Dip. I put the stars wrong way. And this too. Hey, that's funny. There you go. And then, ta-da! That clap really did it. So let's show you when it really gets cute. I have to... Actually, I'll show you what the technique is. But first, need to turn him off. Now let's do Doe. Adorable Doe. She's super sweet and cuddly. She's a bit soft, so I'm not sure if you heard her. But look how cute she is. I need to turn her off. She's not as hard to turn off. Zip. There you go. Next, my fave. Oh. Look how cute she is. I guess I'll turn her off. Also for Dot. Oh, she just said another thing. I guess she's just happy to see you all. I think I know someone else who will be happy. Dot. Okay, let's see if I... Okay. I think you might want to hear him say something more lively and fun. He can sing. That's what I'd rather you hear. And also, when I squish your cheeks, I can make them laugh. For the laughing, you just have to squeeze your cheeks for a while. She's so cute. my sister's favorite. Or maybe we should close them up. Please don't make a sound. I find them so cute, so let's get another character out. Who are they? Or more like 2 characters. At the same time. Oh. It's time. Look at that. Rose gold and gold. Because I have a surprise for you inside. Whoop. Opened up. 2 adorable dumplings inside. Whoa, I heard those accessories crashing and banging. Look at them! Look how cute they are! They're cutesy wootsy. Or should I squeeze their cheeks already? Pop! Whoa! Oh, I forgot to show you. They talk! This is Dara. And this is Dixie. Well, they're kind of like the queen and king, but they're not. Because, well, there's a reason why I said they're kind of like the king and queen. Because they're shiny. But they have accessories too. Ta-da! Now let's just move them over here because we have to have space for 2 non-dumplings. So let's get them at the same time when we get them. Ta-da! They're here like the others. Now we have all of the dumplings. And they're ready to party with you! You're all invited. Well, there's nothing better than a dumplings party with lots of friends. And they invited you. So let's dance! Get us poppin'. Squishy pop, guys, get it poppin'. And it's stoppin'. Don't stop here when you squishy pop, drop. First you roll, roll, then you fall, fall. Squishy roll, roll, roll. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you, woo. That means love you in dumpling language. Bye. Love you, woo.